I'm back with some human hair that I'm super excited about because I've already filmed 2 wigs in this collection. I hope I put some footage here. I did a water wave and I did a straight. The units were absolutely bomb. And I know this one from my good friends over there at Nadula Hair is going to be just as amazing. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to this wig as well as all the details. So, first of all, let me address my eye. I know it looks weird. It's not my eyelashes. Like I told y'all, I injured my eye bone. Like I broke that bone under here. And when it's pollen season, like allergies, it runs rampant. So I know I look a little weird. Try to overlook it. Nadula Hair is one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. They always give us some affordable, good quality, bomb options. If you're somebody like me that's one, lazy, two, I can't comb hair, these wigs are going to be for you. But I also think that if you are a person that's like a wig slayer, this will be for you because these are truly throw on and go, wear and go. There are a lot of companies that throw those terms around and it don't be. Okay, throw on and go. It don't go where? To hell. Okay. So the wig came, and I love these little storage bags. This iridescent little purse-like storage bag, but they do also include a satin case with their branding on it as well. So that is bomb. I love these little extra touches. And they always send us some bomb extras with these units when we order from them as well. All right, in this one, we got, is it the same extras? It's the same extras as the last two that I ordered. A brush with their branding on it, some stocking caps, an edge band with their branding on it, and inside this sack, we have another edge band with their branding on it, another pack of stocking caps, and we have these gorgeous press-on nails. And y'all know I'm the press-on nail queen. So I absolutely love those. Those are actually very pretty, huh? Okay. I only go into a nail salon now if I gotta let them tackle these feet. Okay, but my hands, So this wig, I actually think this one might be different. I'm trying to remember what I ordered because I see this bomb wig tape in here that is absolutely beginner friendly, ease, just a gorgeous wig. So this wig is in the color TN27, which is gorgeous for the spring and the summer. And I got it in 24 inches and it is a body wave. Now I remember what I got. All right, I'm taking all this shipping packaging off of this unit. Yeah, this is that with the wear and go tape. This is a bomb. This is gonna be so bomb. Ooh, y'all, it's already curled. Y'all know that's why I hate body wave, because I can't comb hair. Hold on, let me pause my TV. Okay, but look, they have already curled it for you, girl. Okay, so let's talk about this cap construction. We get a comb in the back and adjustable straps, and we get this adhesive band. It's not sticky to touch, but it makes the wig lay flush on your head. This is the part that we write home about, okay? You get quite a bit of parting space. I can't remember what I ordered. Like I said, look in the description box. But here, these glue tabs, y'all. And when I used to like see people wearing wig tape, and I was like, who does that? Like nobody does it anymore. I have gotten like 4 units from Nadula Hair with this wig tape, and it is absolutely amazing. It makes the wig feel so secure on your head. But if you're somebody that's saying that wig tape ain't enough for me, they have the slots where you can attach the elastic band that they've included with this unit. So this is going to be bomb, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply that elastic band and put the wig on my head before I do anything to it, just so you can see. And then I'm gonna brush these curls out of probably this tape and just fall in love. So give me a second, be right back. Okay guys, so I've attached the band. So let's just put it on to see what it looks like straight out of the pack. Y'all, this is why I love Nadula Hair. Like, gee whiz, y'all. That's the tape. That's why it looks white right there. But I mean, this is straight out of the pack. That's not bad, okay? At all. And look at these curls. Look how pretty these curls are. And it came pre-curled, because y'all know me. I see girls with a flat iron making curls. Hell, I can't even use a curling iron to make curls, right? So that is bomb. Also, check out this color The way they blended this 27 into this natural color is so bomb. Like, they did a great job on that coloring. I absolutely love that, okay? Here's the tape, okay? So what you'll see me do is pull the tape tabs off, and then I'll play around with the wig a little bit, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I'm absolutely in love. So the other two Nadula units that I filmed, I love those because those were easy breezy, throw and go. With this one, I saved it for last because I was like, it's body wave, I gotta curl it. Nope. I don't know if I'ma like it with this wig tape. Nope, absolutely love this. They also, I don't know if I showed y'all this, hold on. They give you so many additional pieces, y'all, and I have done this wig in a copper color or black. I've done it in other colors, and they always send like these extra pieces of tape, and y'all, I apply them to my other wigs as well because the tape makes the unit feel so secure on my head. I don't have a single complaint about this. For me to be able to get these curls right out of the pack, okay, nothing to cut off, nothing to pluck, to get this color pre-done so there's nothing to dye. This is, I think, no matter if, like I said, if you're a beginner or wig vet, this is a wig that you will absolutely love. So I 1000% recommend this one. I saved this one for last, but this actually might be my favorite out of the three that I ordered. Absolutely gorgeous, no complaints at all. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are. Also tell me how to use a curling iron. Does the lip part go on the top or the bottom? I guess I could watch a YouTube video on that, but I don't even know if people still using curling irons in 2024. Luckily for me, I can get a wig pre-curled like this one from Nadula Hair, y'all. This is bomb.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.